Hey traders, hope everyone's having a great day, evening, afternoon. It's the morning for me. It's nearly 11 o'clock in the morning, 7th of February, Wednesday. And I've just opened up what I finished on last night. Well, it would have been early this morning, probably around 1:30. I think I made my last video that I uploaded regarding a couple of moves I've been monitoring. So Euro Aussie dollar has sort of held a little bit of this consolidation now. What I would be looking for, that red line represents the possible entry at 1.575-ish sort of level. Stop loss down at 1.54. So a lot of what ifs and a lot of things to sort of happen before that's, an entertained pending order. And again, I sort of mentioned this as well with the euro, that it could get range bounded. It has. If there was more, Dow Jones sell-off panic, could have seen something happen, but it's stabilized quite a bit. So it was just a minor correction, which is healthy. I apologize for background noise. It's a really nice, cooler day. It's summer here in Perth, so I just thought I'd open the window and get some lovely fresh air. Aussie dollar, I'm out of this position here. What I will do. Okay. Look, to me, if we do what I normally do, I just like to get a little bit of structure on the charts. I wouldn't say I rely on these, but I just like a little bit of structure on the chart per se. We'll make this that purple, make purple 55-day moving average. So it's still very much uptrending. It has taken a bit of a dip recently. That's a 55-day moving average. Really, for a sell trade, that's got to be below that. So the 55 has to be below the 200 for me, honestly. And that's just how I like to operate. And that's something I've tested with my back testing as well. Alright, so the USDCAD. Interesting. Okay, so it's the 200-day. It's not really a trade in the sense of a buy trade, because the overall trend is down still pretty considerably. So let's look at the Euro Aussie dollar up again, and we'll apply. I'm going to delete that. Let's get some structure on the charts here. Go red for 200. Yeah, most definitely. It's a possibility. What I like to do is the weekly. See some support resistance. Probably more here. I classify that as one touch. Two. It's a zone, so it's getting close. Support down here. So this is the weekly time frame. Then I click here for line chart. So you can press Alt-3 just to establish them. I thought I did have these set, but sometimes I close something down and it will just go back to the default, which it won't have. So a little bit of support there. So it's got a bit of distance to go. 159 is the next level there of resistance. So interesting. This is probably the main watch, guys, honestly. If we go to how's New Zealand dollar looking actually? Had a bit of a bounce. What was the low it got to? 72.56. So it's recovered pretty nicely, which is interesting, but this could get very sideways and choppy. For a trend trader type system that I utilize. It just means there's not a lot going on, and I stay out of the market. So I'm still actually in a very small position in the New Zealand dollar. I got in at 72.05. Stop losses at 72.10. After it moved a lot, but a very small position. It was just trialing the live account. So USD Swiss is actually made a play at this last week. Too much risk, so I closed out when this happened. It did collapse so to as low as 72.55, but no trade on this. How about the USD yen? Not really bad, but not really good, so I'm not really interested in that either. So just to conclude the video, guys, Euro Aussie is definitely the main watch for me. Uptrending. You know, the next resistance level is no, sorry, that's not great. Okay, so it's about I would call that 226 pips away. So it's not too bad. I like at least 200 pips between entry to the next resistance level, just so there's some decent gain you can make potentially without too many headaches. And how many entry could be around there? So talking around 262 pips. So what I'm doing there is that potentially where the stop loss would be down at the 55-day moving average. So I'm just trying to ascertain. So it's around 260 from there to the entry level, which would be around the highs here, these candles. That's the video, guys. No trades. Another update will come hopefully later tonight. If not, safe trading. Bye for now.